Right now, there are people making money every single day using artificial intelligence, and most of them are not programmers, not tech experts, and not working in big companies. They are normal people who simply learned how to use AI tools in the right way. And the most important truth is that this opportunity is still open, but it will not stay open forever. We are living through one of the biggest shifts in history, similar to when the internet first appeared. And the people who understand this early are the ones who are going to benefit the most. AI is changing everything. Jobs, businesses, marketing, content creation, and even how people make money online are being transformed. What used to take teams of people can now be done by one person using AI tools. Writing, designing, editing, planning, and even coding can now be assisted or fully automated. This means something very important. The barrier to starting a business or making money online has dropped almost to zero. You no longer need expensive equipment, a degree, or years of experience. You just need to understand how to use the tools. The first way people are making money with AI is through content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are full of AI-generated content. These are faceless channels that use AI to write scripts, generate voices, and create videos automatically. A single person can run multiple channels at once. They pick a niche like motivation, finance, luxury lifestyle, or interesting facts, and then they use AI to generate daily content. The more consistent they are, the more the algorithm pushes their videos. And once the views start coming in, they monetize through ads, affiliate links, or digital products. Some creators are making thousands of dollars per month just by posting AI-assisted videos every day. The second way is AI freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to earn money because businesses are actively looking for people who can help them save time and money using AI. Companies need blog posts, marketing content, social media posts, product descriptions, and even video scripts. Instead of doing everything manually, freelancers now use AI to produce high-quality work in a fraction of the time. The key is not to sell AI itself, but to sell results. For example, instead of saying, "I will write AI articles," you say, "I will help your website get more traffic with SEO-optimized content." Clients care about outcomes, not tools. And because AI allows you to work faster, you can take more clients and scale your income much quicker than before. Another powerful method is creating digital products using AI. This is where things become even more interesting. You can use AI to create ebooks, guides, templates, courses, and even full business systems. For example, you can ask AI to create a 30-day fitness plan, a business startup guide, or a social media strategy template. Then you package it into a PDF or digital file and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. The best part is that you only create the product once, but you can sell it unlimited times. This is what people call passive income. And while it is not completely passive at the beginning, once it gains traction, it can generate income while you sleep. AI automation services are another high-income opportunity. Businesses are willing to pay a lot of money for systems that save them time. This includes chatbots for customer service, automated email systems, lead generation tools, and content automation workflows. Using tools like Zapier, Make.com, and AI APIs, you can connect systems that run automatically. You don't need to be a professional coder. You just need to understand how to connect tools together. Freelancers and small agencies are charging hundreds or even thousands of dollars for setting up these systems for businesses. This is one of the most scalable ways to make money with AI because businesses will always want to save time and reduce costs. Affiliate marketing combined with AI is also a powerful strategy. Instead of creating your own product, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. AI helps you create content at scale. You can generate scripts for videos, write blog posts, design social media posts, and produce marketing content in minutes. Then you attach your affiliate links to this content. The more content you produce, the more chances you have to generate sales. Some people are building entire income streams just by combining AI-generated content with affiliate links and posting consistently across multiple platforms. But there is something very important that most people do not understand. AI is not a magic button that prints money. It is a tool that amplifies what you already do. If you are lazy, AI will not change anything. But if you are consistent, focused, and willing to learn, AI can accelerate your progress faster than anything before in history. We are currently in a unique moment where the competition is still relatively low, but the opportunity is extremely high. In a few years, everyone will be using AI, and the early advantage will disappear. That is why the people who win in this new era are not the smartest or the most educated. They are the ones who start early, test ideas quickly, and stay consistent. AI gives you leverage, but you have to take action. The difference between someone who earns nothing and someone who earns thousands is not the tools they use, but how they use them. So if you are still here, it means you are serious about learning how to use AI to create income online. And this is exactly the kind of content we are building here. If you found value in this video, make sure you don't just watch and leave it there. Take one idea, apply it, and start testing it today. Even small action puts you ahead of most people. And if you want more videos like this, where we break down real ways to make money online, AI tools, and strategies that are actually working right now, then you are in the right place. We are constantly creating content focused on real value, real opportunities, and practical ways to grow in this new AI era. So don't forget to like the video if you got value from it. Share it with someone who needs to see this. And subscribe so you don't miss the next one, because here we don't chase hype. We focus on building real skills, real income, and real opportunities using AI. See you in the next video.